Next participant is Riviere du Rempart with the project Hybrid Integrated Vegetation Ecosystem. So we have one participant who will be on Zoom, right? Okay. If she will be able to connect. Okay. So your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Oh my God.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. We initiated Hive at an Riviere du Rempart. We were supposed to be two person presenting this project, but unfortunately my team member had some inconveniences. I apologize for this. Maybe she will join later or not. Right? This I don't know if the connection will be established. So she starts with our team leader, and myself, Vishnu. So this is our logo. The logo is designed to reflect our name and our activities. As you can see on the screen, the hexagon represents a beehive, which refers to agriculture, and some leaves that represent agriculture. And next we have thrive with hive. That's our motto. Why thrive? Because thrive means to find a way towards success. Mauritius, program statement. Mauritius as a small and developing island, having a rich terrestrial and marine resources, is that spared from multi formative. I suppose. Is that spared from the problem of food insecurity? This chart shows the increasing trend of food insecurity in Mauritius, as it stands to 7.8% since 2020. This subsequently caused the global hunger index to increase from 13.4% in 2022. Objectives of Hive. Hive have several objectives. The main objectives are the first one, hybrid crop cultivation that will help to tackle the food insecurity. Secondly, we have the circular economy and waste management, which will help to regulate the soil pH and thus it will help for a proper growth of a plant. And the third one is to promote the first three SDGs, which is the first one, no poverty, second one is zero hunger, and the third one is good health and well-being. Situational analysis. The analysis of Mauritius. Mauritius import more than 80% of its basic requirements. Since the COVID-19, Mauritius had suffered And Mauritius has suffered severely due to the food inflation that has been caused. Another factor that affects the food insecurity is the climate change. While implementing HARD, we had consulted an expert who is Mr. Navindra Vidya, and a senior lecturer at University of Mauritius. He stated that Mauritius lacked productive investment and innovative agricultural practices. He suggested that a peri-urban farming would be a great choice for HARD. It also raised the approach of HARD concerning the food insecurity issue. Situational analysis. We collected data through an online questionnaire from which 38% of our respondents said that the impact of climate change has affected the harvest locally. And some of our respondents also said that the vegetable prices in market and supermarket are not reasonable. 42% of our respondents said that they lack land area for subsistence agriculture. 75% of our respondents believe that the price of vegetable are not reasonable. More than half of the respondents said that their monthly income doesn't allow them to buy a nutritionally balanced diet, to buy vegetables to include in a nutritionally balanced diet. And to end this part, 96% of our respondents said that hybrid crop cultivation would be a feasible solution to food insecurity. During the implementation, we also had a site visit at an organic model farm which is situated at Boulerouge Flat. Implementation part. How do you proceed with implementation? The implementation would tackle the ecological farming that we will lead to the primitive plant. This is the plant that Hive have chosen for crafting. Step 1. While implementing this project, the first step is that sowing seeds. For the tomato plant, we have used seeds, and for the potato plant, we have potato sprout. As potato seeds are not available in the market. Second one is mulching, which will ensure the optimal growth of the plant. Mulching is covering the land space around the crafted plant so that we can control the weeds population to prevent water loss from the soil. Isha. Hello, Isha. We have two videos to the view on the left is shows that the excess sprout should be cut off from the plant so that the nutrients that the plant will absorb that will be concentrated to the pot that will be crafted on. The next video is the stem that will not be useful as the tomato plant stem will be crafted to the root of the potato. Crafting. We have experimented two methods of crafting. The first one is black crafting and the other one is gray crafting. As you can see, after the plant are crafted, we have covered it with leaves so that the water loss is minimal. After a few weeks, you can see that the result or that the crafted plant have already flowered, and it is to be noted that on a sample of 25 crafting, 20 crafts were successful. This is a video to show that after the crafting, this is a testimonial from farmer.
Crafting demande pas que gardening, tout ça nous encourage pour qu'on puisse et nous fait contribuer pour sécurité. Et nous encourage aussi pour servir une matière organique pour
problem encountered. Due to a limited time constraint, we had conducted online meetings. Both of us are students. Secondly, we had no knowledge on crafting. That's why we took help of YouTube videos. And due to failure of cleft crafting, we had to switch to wheel crafting. What next? The next part is that we will be implementing these in our project so that it's complete.
Recording in progress.
Due to the inconvenience caused, project.
So you can respond in any language. Yes. Respond as well. So I'm just trying to understand the benefits of grafting. I know it helps in plant resilience and all that stuff. Yes. By how much? Because what we're trying to solve here is amount of food output, yes. Because we're trying to solve scarcity and cost, etc. So by what amount roughly does grafting improve food productivity, like food production, compared to if we just planted these
60 to 70%, as we will be implementing the circular economy in our project. That's the use of biofertilizers and compost, which are rich in nutrients. So, compost and biofertilizers would give a boost of nutrients to the grafted plants. That's why it's about 60 to 70%, around 60 to 70%.
Question. First of all, thank you. I think these are the hiccups that happen. So congratulations to you for carrying the projects on your shoulders alone. So fine. So I think it's a very innovative idea when you're talking about food security. I'm very curious to know what happened to that. How do you call it? Tomato. Tomato plant. What happened to it? Did it flower? It flowered, right? Was the plant there? Was the fruit there?
The roots, we are using the roots of a potato plant, which is the fruit-bearing part that we will have potato under the ground, and the tomato plant, that's the stem and the leaves and the flowers that will produce the fruits that will be on the above the ground. That the merging of two plants that will have tomato and potato in a single plant.
But you haven't had the fruits yet.
The fruit on it yet. Right.
It'll be interesting to know what happens to this.
You want to say a few words?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Can you all hear me?
Yes.
And this is muted, I think. We should unmute. She can hear us.
You're good. I can do it.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
It's okay.
Hello? Can you all hear me?
We can see you, we can hear you.
The difficulties were that the potato, we didn't have any seeds of potatoes. So we had to wait for the potatoes to sprout, then grow it, then conduct the grafting. That's the main difficulty. And another difficulty is that since we are both students, our time constraints are limited to implement this project.
So what was the time frame for this project?
Each one was doing their part when they were free, and at night after 8 or 9 p.m. we would conduct a meeting and brief all the details, all the work we've done, and summarize what we have conducted, what we have done.
So I believe you've done your experiment at the farmers' plant.
We had implemented it at home, and we have implemented it in someone as